Did you know that nearly 1/3 of adults over 60 quietly lose significant muscle strength every year, often without realizing it? This silent decline affects mobility, balance, and independence more than most people expect, subtly threatening daily life in ways we rarely talk about. But here's the hopeful truth. Just one simple food added to your daily routine can help rebuild muscle strength and boost your vitality. It's easy to include, requires no complicated diet or exercise, and has already helped many seniors regain energy and confidence. Muscle loss after 60 is more common than you think, yet most people don't know how to stop or reverse it. Why is this crucial information so often overlooked? In today's video, we'll reveal a natural, science-backed solution that's helped countless seniors rebuild strength faster than they imagined possible. Whether you're just noticing weakness or want to prevent future decline, this simple change could be a game changer for your health and independence. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, subscribe to Senior Health Over 60, and share this video with loved ones who might benefit. If you've ever felt like everyday activities are becoming harder, climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even rising from a chair, you're not imagining it. There's a silent process happening in our bodies as we age, and it's called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function that typically begins around age 50 and accelerates with time. According to the American Society of Geriatrics, nearly 1/3 of adults over 60 experience noticeable muscle decline. Yet for many, it sneaks up quietly until one day you find yourself asking, "Why do I feel weaker than I used to?" But here's what most people don't know. Sarcopenia isn't a one-way street. It's not a guaranteed outcome of aging. And even if you've already noticed signs of weakness or fatigue, you can turn things around with the right nutrition and movement. Muscles are living tissue. They respond to the signals we give them, and food is one of the most powerful signals of all. Certain nutrients and compounds can literally nourish your muscles back to life, improving both strength and mobility. So if you've been feeling discouraged or frustrated, please know you're not broken, and it's not too late. In the next part, I'll share the first of 6 powerful foods that can help your body rebuild muscle, improve energy, and bring strength back into your daily life. Let's move on to the first, a surprisingly delicious drink that might already be in your fridge. When we think about drinks that support our health, cherry juice probably isn't the first to come to mind. But for older adults, especially those experiencing muscle fatigue or soreness, this vibrant red drink might be one of the most underrated superfoods out there. Cherry juice, particularly the tart variety, is packed with powerful plant compounds known as anthocyanins. These natural antioxidants help reduce inflammation, protect muscle fibers from damage, and support faster recovery after even light physical activity. That means if you feel stiff after gardening or achy from a short walk, cherry juice could offer real relief. In fact, a clinical study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports found that people who drank cherry juice regularly recovered 24% faster in terms of muscle performance compared to those who didn't. For seniors, that kind of difference can be the line between needing help and staying independent. But the benefits don't stop there. Cherries also contain natural melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate your sleep cycle. Better sleep leads to better muscle repair and better mornings. Imagine waking up with fewer aches, more energy, and the confidence to move through your day with ease. A practical tip: drink about 1 glass, 8 oz, of unsweetened tart cherry juice about 30 minutes before bedtime. Make it part of your nightly wind-down routine. You might be surprised how quickly your body responds. Let me share a quick story. Margaret, a 72-year-old from Minnesota, emailed us to say she hadn't slept through the night in years. After 2 weeks of sipping cherry juice each evening, not only was she sleeping better, but she also noticed she could climb stairs again without holding the railing. It's simple, it's natural, and it works. And in our next section, we'll look at another everyday food that's both creamy and powerful when it comes to preserving muscle strength. And it might already be in your fridge. If there's one food that blends comfort, taste, and powerful nutrition into a single serving, it's Greek yogurt. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This creamy treat is one of the most effective tools for supporting muscle strength as we age. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove much of the whey, resulting in a thicker texture and nearly double the protein. With about 15 to 20 grams of high-quality protein per serving, it's the perfect fuel for aging muscles that need extra nourishment. But it's not just the amount of protein that matters, it's the type. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids steadily over several hours. That makes it ideal for keeping your muscles fed, especially during long periods without meals or overnight while your body repairs itself. A study from the University of California found that seniors who included Greek yogurt in their daily routine saw up to a 15% increase in muscle strength in just 8 weeks. That's a huge leap from such a small dietary change. Beyond muscles, Greek yogurt also supports gut health. Its live probiotics help maintain a balanced digestive system, which becomes even more important as digestion slows with age. And when your gut is happy, your whole body functions better, including how you absorb nutrients needed for muscle repair. Here's a practical tip. Enjoy Greek yogurt with a tablespoon of chia seeds and a handful of berries like blueberries or raspberries. You'll add fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory benefits, all in one tasty bowl. And here's a true story. John, a retired firefighter from Arizona, told us he struggled to keep up with his grandkids. After adding Greek yogurt to his breakfast every day, he not only felt stronger but had the energy to return to his favorite hobby, hiking. Simple changes, real results. And coming up next, we'll explore a category of comfort foods you might already love, but didn't realize could be a secret weapon for your strength. When we think about strength-building foods, vegetables might not be the first thing that comes to mind. But if you're over 60 and looking to sustain your energy and protect your muscles, starchy vegetables deserve a front-row seat at your table. Foods like sweet potatoes, pumpkin, and white potatoes aren't just hearty and satisfying, they're nutritional workhorses. These veggies are rich in complex carbohydrates, which break down slowly to deliver steady, long-lasting energy. That's especially important for aging muscles, which need a reliable fuel source to recover and perform well throughout the day. Beyond energy, starchy vegetables also contain key nutrients like potassium, vitamin C, and beta-carotene, all of which support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and enhance cell function. In other words, they help your body heal and stay active. A report from Harvard Medical School highlighted that older adults who regularly include starchy vegetables in their meals experience slower rates of muscle decline compared to those who rely heavily on refined carbs like white bread or pasta. The reason? These whole food carbs help regulate blood sugar, improve metabolic function, and support endurance. Try roasting sweet potato wedges with a little olive oil and sea salt. It's not only delicious, it's easy to digest, naturally anti-inflammatory, and versatile enough to pair with nearly any meal. Let me share a quick story. Mary and Tom, a couple in their 70s from North Carolina, made one small change. They replaced white rice with roasted sweet potatoes. Within a few weeks, they reported more energy during their daily walks and fewer afternoon crashes. These foods don't just fill your plate, they power your day. Up next, we're heading to the ocean for a seafood favorite that's lean, rich in omega-3s, and surprisingly muscle-friendly. Few foods strike the perfect balance between indulgence and health quite like scallops. These tender shellfish aren't just a luxurious treat, they're also a potent source of muscle-nourishing nutrients, especially important as we age. Scallops are naturally low in fat, but incredibly rich in high-quality protein. That means they provide the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild, stay firm, and recover faster, even after everyday activities like housework or a long walk. But the real magic lies in their omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce chronic inflammation, protect joints, and support healthy muscle function. As we get older, inflammation becomes a major contributor to stiffness and slower recovery. Including omega-3, rich foods like scallops can make a noticeable difference in how your body feels after movement. A study from Spain's Institute of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly ate omega-3 rich seafood retained up to 12% more muscle mass than those who didn't. That can translate to better posture, balance, and freedom to move confidently. Scallops are also quick and easy to prepare. Try pan-searing them in olive oil with a touch of garlic and lemon juice. Not only is it flavorful, this cooking method actually boosts nutrient absorption, helping your body make the most of the omega-3s and protein. Let me tell you about Margie, a 72-year-old artist from Oregon. For years, her knees ached just climbing the stairs to her studio. After adding scallops to her meals twice a week, she noticed not only less pain but greater stability in her legs. Scallops prove that food can be both delicious and functional, a true ally in your journey toward aging with strength and grace. Coming up next, we'll explore a small but mighty grain that might surprise you with its muscle-building potential. Buckwheat may not have the spotlight like oats or quinoa, but don't let its humble appearance fool you. This hearty, nutty-flavored grain is one of nature's most complete and underappreciated tools for supporting muscle strength, especially after 60. Unlike many plant-based foods, buckwheat is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair muscle. That's rare in the plant world, and it makes buckwheat an ideal option for those trying to preserve muscle mass without always relying on meat. Buckwheat also provides a steady stream of complex carbohydrates, giving your body lasting energy throughout the day without the crashes that come with refined carbs. And for seniors, maintaining consistent energy is vital. It allows your muscles to work efficiently and recover fully. In addition, buckwheat is loaded with key minerals like magnesium and zinc. Magnesium plays a major role in muscle relaxation and repair, while zinc supports immune function and tissue growth, both essential in keeping your body strong and resilient. A Harvard Medical School study found that older adults who incorporated buckwheat regularly into their diets saw an 18% increase in muscle strength over a 3-month period. That's a big return from one small change. Here's a tip: cook buckwheat groats and use them as a base for warm breakfast bowls, or toss them into salads for a nutty crunch. They're easy to prepare and incredibly versatile. I'll never forget Larry, a 66-year-old from Michigan who told us he swapped out white rice for buckwheat in his meals. Within weeks, he said he wasn't just moving better, he felt sharper, more balanced, and more energized overall. Sometimes, strength begins with the smallest ingredients. And next, we'll talk about one final powerhouse that's as convenient as it is effective, especially if you're looking for results fast. If you're looking for the simplest, fastest way to give your muscles what they need to thrive, especially as you age, whey protein might just be the answer. It's not just for athletes or bodybuilders. In fact, it's one of the most effective and accessible tools for seniors to maintain and rebuild muscle. Whey protein is derived from milk and is considered one of the highest quality protein sources available. What sets it apart is its fast absorption. Your body can quickly digest and use it to repair muscle tissue after physical activity, even if that activity is as basic as household chores, walking the dog, or stretching in the morning. It's also packed with essential amino acids, especially leucine, which plays a key role in signaling your body to start building muscle. That's especially important for seniors, since the body becomes less responsive to muscle-building signals with age. Clinical research has shown that older adults who regularly consume whey protein experience less muscle loss over time, even without engaging in intense exercise. And beyond muscle, whey also supports fat metabolism, heart health, and immune function. The best part? It's incredibly convenient. Just add a scoop to your morning smoothie, mix it into oatmeal, or blend it with almond milk for a quick, nourishing snack. No complicated prep, no stress. Let me share Ellie's story. She's 73 and used to dread getting out of bed in the morning because of fatigue and stiffness. Her daughter encouraged her to start drinking a protein shake each day. 3 weeks in, Ellie reported more energy, less soreness, and the confidence to start taking short neighborhood walks again, something she hadn't done in years. Whey protein is proof that big changes don't always require big effort. As we wrap up, let's revisit what we've learned and talk about how to bring all these muscle-supporting foods into your life, starting today. As we've seen today, losing muscle strength isn't an unavoidable part of aging. It's a challenge, yes, but one that you can face head-on with the right choices. The foods we've talked about aren't just tasty additions to your plate. They're powerful tools that nourish your muscles, help your body recover, and give you the energy to keep living life on your terms. Remember, strength after 60 isn't just about looking fit or lifting heavy weights. It's about having the stamina to enjoy your favorite activities, the flexibility to move freely, and the confidence to stay independent every day. One of the most important lessons here is that age doesn't define how strong you feel, your daily habits do. Small changes, like adding a glass of cherry juice before bed, enjoying Greek yogurt for breakfast, or swapping refined carbs for starchy vegetables, can make a big difference. If you're ready to take that step towards stronger muscles and a more vibrant life, start today. Try incorporating these 6 foods into your meals and watch how your body responds. And before we finish, I want to remind you to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Senior Health Over 60. Your support helps us bring more science-backed tips and real-life stories that can change lives. Thank you for spending this time with us. Here's to your health, strength, and happiness in the years ahead.